So here we go, after our final coat of clear coat. Look at the shine on this. Now, I'm actually not too close to the car, maybe about 5 or 6 feet away, something like that, but this thing is like a mirror. It's something else. So, the roof, straight as a die. Really is smart. Well worth the effort. Well worth the extra time. Now, you imagine this, there is still a step further, and that's obviously once this thing's 3/4 assembled, I'll go in and I'll take it back once more and just finish it off with a compound mop. Just to take any little settlement marks, any little dust speckles, anything right out and just leave a nice crisp glass finish. But you see there, my goodness, this thing really is shiny. Again, every panel on this thing is shiny as it can be. Well worth the hard effort. So you imagine this now, once we set to and we start building this thing, once you have things like your chrome trim, your chrome bumpers, everything that goes back on, this colour is really going to pop. It pops anyway, but it is something else. Really, really nice. So this is our 2+2 Series 2E type. What we'll do is, although it's hot in here anyway, with the heater, with the recirculation and the baking oven, what we'll do is we'll just wait, give it a day just to settle, to harden off properly before we start laying hands on it. Just because we've done so much, the last thing we want to do is start mucking about with it and it still be a slight bit soft or something like that. But you see the finished result, it's phenomenal. So we'll leave it now, let it settle, and then we'll start taking all the masking off. The next stage with this is, before we start adding anything to it or anything like that, we will be painting the underside and we will be painting the inside, and we'll be doing that in an enamel, so just a hard wearing enamel. Again, it is red, so you'll never be able to tell, but everything that is enamel will be hidden away under carpets and on the underside of the car, just to make this thing as unique and special as possible. So yeah, there we go. So that's it, the extra stage, well worth the effort. The shine is fantastic, really, really good. Something that you don't get on modern cars whatsoever, and a bit of attention to detail. As I say, it takes a lot of arm work, a lot of time, but the results are well worth it. So there we go, this is our Jaguar E-Type 2+2.